I was thinking about something over the weekend. I'll start from the start. That's a good place to start. We had this trainee at work, and one aspect of my job is that there'll be patients in the waiting room, and you're supposed to go and call them from the waiting room into the surgery. I'm a dental nurse, by the way. I should have started from the start. See, you don't know anything. I'm just like jumping straight in. I'm a dental nurse, and one aspect of my job is you have to get the patient into the surgery, obviously. So you got to go and call them in. And with this trainee, and I was told that they were doing it wrong. I don't know. I just heard that we'd got some complaints that they were being rude about it or something. I don't know exactly, because I'm not in the waiting room. I didn't hear how they were calling them in. I have no idea how they were calling them in. I can speculate. They would be like, "Oi, come on, Steve, in." I don't know what they were saying exactly. Come in or what? I don't know. I have no idea how they were calling them in, but however it was getting complaints from someone that it wasn't rude. So they told me to tell them how they should call them into the room in a nice way. So I took them aside and I explained to them that some people are nervous at the dentist's and stuff like that, and you are the first person that they're gonna interact with that's in relation to the dentistry part. So when you call them in, smiles and happiness, and you call them in a nice way. Steve, please will you come through, or we're ready for you, or something like that. Go something like that. Smile, be warm. Wait for them, don't just storm off or anything. Would you like to come through, Bright and happiness. Good. Anyway, I was thinking about this at the weekend because I was shopping and the cashier shouted at me and it was horrible for just a moment there, because we had the just products, and she was asking me if they would fit in the bag I already had, and I said, yeah, I think so, and I was trying to put them into my bag, and she was like, you're gonna hurry up and put your card in the machine? And for a moment there, I just thought, no, I'm not going, I don't want to anymore. She's just like, you're gonna hurry up and put your card. No. Gonna hurry up? Don't want to anymore. But I still bought the things, but it's just like, gosh, it was so abrupt. It just felt bad, being told to hurry up and do it. It's like, I'm buying this thing from you, what's your problem? I don't get it. Part of me is like, it's Christmas time, there's loads of customers, she's stressed or whatever. But for me, I don't really like shopping, and it was just abrupt and just made me, I think I went red, because it was just like, what? And I was thinking afterwards about how I had told the trainee in my dental situation that some people are nervous at the dentist and you should call them in nicely. But maybe that applies to everyone you've just met ever, in any situation ever. Like, you don't know who's anxious in what situations or whatever. You don't know their life story at all. You don't know what kind of day they're having. So whether you're working in a shop or a bakery or a dentist or wherever, it doesn't matter. If you've just met someone, you should, be polite. That's the thing. You've just met someone, you have no right to shout in their face about anything or snap at them. That's just not how you talk to someone you've just met. Yeah, that was basically what I was thinking about. I was just thinking, it's not a case of people who've just walked into the dentistry maybe anxious about the dentist. It's anyone you ever just met might be anxious because they're just meeting someone or anything, or however their day is going or however their life is going, I don't know. But for whatever, you don't snapping at them just right straight away when you've just met them in whatever circumstances, it's just not called for, really. You don't have to do that. There's other options. You can say, the machine's ready for you if you want to put your card in or whatever, or please will you put your card in, or there's other options. Whatever it is, there's other options. Anyway, I was just thinking of that. So there we go.